Officially, I want to say a very big welcome to you to V.S.L Concept ICT Academy's YouTube channel. The one and only channel that gives you all the tips as to how you can make legal money on the internet and also how you can scale up your business, maximizing profit. Here in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to create a foreign bank account from anywhere you are in Africa. Yes, whether you want a US bank account or you actually want a Euro bank account, or probably you want a pounds bank account. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up this account. Now, you might be wondering if this account you will be setting up is like the regular account that you set up online. Not at all. This is actually a real account that you create with a real bank in any of these locations. So whether you are actually trying to create a pound sterling account, you would actually be creating a real account from a real bank in UK. Whether you are trying to create a Euro account, you will be creating a real bank account with a real bank in Europe. And of course, whether you actually want to create a dollar account, you'll be creating this account from a real bank in United States of America, as it were. For example, my account that you can see on your screen right now is an account from Wells Fargo Bank. Now, as you can see here, this is my account number, and here the routing code, the SWIFT code, and the account type. So this account can actually receive money from any client who wants to pay me in US, and also can receive money from any client who wants to pay me in other countries with the other bank accounts, as it were. Did you observe that this account details basically is an account from a real bank called Wells Fargo Bank in US? Yes, of course. In no distant time, I'll be showing you exactly how you can set up your own foreign bank account that can actually give you the option of receiving payment from anyone in UK, anyone in Europe, and anyone in the United States of America. This is a mind-blowing secret that I would be showing you right now. Of course, this whole thing will not be complete if I mention that you would be able to get credit cards, as it were, from all of these banks that we'll be creating right now. Now, is this something that you really want to do? Come on, let's jump in as I go on to show you the basic step-by-step guide as to how you would actually be creating this. It is important that you follow this video and follow my step exactly how I am going, because if you make any single mistake, that account is gone. So make sure that you watch this video from beginning till the end. Don't assume you know it. Follow the steps that I'll be following step by step, as that would ensure that you get your verified bank account like mine that you can see on this screen. Before we go on into creating this account, it will be very important that we understand what the requirements are for you to set up this account. So what are the requirements? Number one, you need a valid means of identification, either your international passport, your driver's license, or your national ID card, as it were. So if you have any of these, you are good to go. And the second requirement that you actually need to set this up is a utility bill. So whether you buy power or you buy electricity online, or you actually go to the vendor who actually recharges your meter and then gives you a proof of payment, you can actually use that. So if you have these two, I assure you that you are good to go. Now, how about if you don't have this requirement? Definitely you would have someone that has this requirement. Your father, your mother, your brother, sisters, and the rest of them. You can use their own account or their own name to actually create this account, and you are good to go. But take note, you'll be creating this account in their name. So while you are thinking of that person that you would like to use, or if you are someone that actually have these requirements, follow through in this video and join me in this step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to set up that mind-blowing real bank account in any of these countries. We will actually be using a website called GeekPay to actually create this account. So this website basically is a website that actually offers this account creation process. Would you be paying for it? Not at all. It is totally free. But you have to meet this requirement as mentioned earlier. All that you actually need to do is to head over to the website gigpay.africa and then you hit create an account. Now, while I am showing you step by step how to create this account, it's important that you pay attention to every single detail and also monitor when emojis will drop on the screen. Because if you are the first person to mention correctly when we pop up emojis on the screen, you stand a chance to win a mind-blowing prize from us. A prize that is worth $100. Yes, you will be announced as the winner of that prize in the next video if you answer correctly when those emojis popped up on the screen. So now, what are we to click on after clicking on registering on GigPay? Now, how would you like to use GigPay? I'm a freelancer. I want to create a company account. Please select I am a freelancer. Because if you say you want to create a company account, they are going to ask you for so many verifications that are more than the requirements that I've just given to you. So click I am a freelancer. You're self-employed and operate under your own name. Yes. Country, Nigeria. So if you're in Ghana, put Ghana here. If you're in Cameroon, put Cameroon. Or whatever country you are in Africa, ensure you put that country here. The next thing to do is to click on continue. After that, it will bring up the page where you can now put in your email address. After putting your email address, it is very important that you put in this referral code while setting up this account. The referral code is DONC871655. DON871655. Ensure you put in the referral code while setting up your account. After doing that, you click on continue. Now, they are actually going to send a verification mail to your email. You go over to your email, copy that mail, and then put it in. So here is the code on my mail, 152581. 152581. And it is actually asking for my mobile number. So I'm just going to put in my mobile number. After putting in your mobile number, hit continue. And they are going to send a verification SMS code to that registered phone number. And the code is 987228. 987228. And it is going to be processed. The very next thing to do is to put in your password. Ensure you use a very strong password. Good. After doing that, you must make sure that your password meets a minimum of 10 characters. At least one capital letter should be in your password, at least one small letter, at least one number, and at least any of these symbols that you can see here. If you don't meet this criteria, the account will not be created. Now click continue. So after filling this information, automatically your account have been created. Now they're asking, what do you want to use GigPay for? Well, select that. Now get salary, just select everything so that your account can be used for everything as it were. Continue. Now it is time for us to enter our name. Because I already have an existing account with this, I will not be using my real complete name to do this because I don't want my personal account to be flagged. So I've just put in a name, Dorcas Esemuru, and then, so after putting in the name, we'll select date of birth, come over here, click this drop down for the year to come up, and put in your real date of birth that you have on your ID card. If for any reason you put in a different date of birth than you have from your ID card, sorry, this account cannot be created. Put in the date and then click on the date here. You're good to go. Select your occupation. So I'm just going to put digital marketing manager, nationality, Nigerian, click on next. So over here is the section where you can now put in your personal file, your personal information. What's the first thing? Put in your real street address. So please, we also recommend that the address you are putting in here should be the address that you have in your utility bill, your NEPA bill address. That address that is there is the main address that you're going to put in here. If you put in any other address, it is not going to work. So after putting in that, you have to put in your city, your postal code, and finally your proof of address. So this is exactly the section where you now need to put in your what? Your utility bill. I hope you get the point. Your utility bill. So how do you get this utility bill? As mentioned earlier, it can actually be a screenshot if you actually use an app to purchase your electricity. Now, if you go to a vendor, that paper that the vendor has given to you, just snap it, and that's what you are going to upload here. Choose file, select document type, utility bill, or if you don't have utility bill, you can use your bank statement. If your bank statement carries your personal address, you can also use that. So you can use utility bill or bank statement. So I'll just click on utility bill, select file. So after selecting the file, you click on open and then you click continue. So immediately you click on continue, you are going to see that it brings up this section and then you click continue. Automatically, you are going to see a message showing that you should verify your identity, meaning your government ID card, and they are going to take a selfie of you. Yes, you know that when you want to create an account, you need to actually give them your passport, but in this section, they'll be taking a selfie of you. So just click on start verification. So what ID card do you actually want to use to do this? So select national ID, select international passport, your NIN. If you have your NIN, you can use this, your driver's license or your voter's card. So I just select driver's license. All right, after doing that, it is now going to ask you to prepare your document, and you will now be using your mobile phone to complete this process. So all you need to do is open your mobile phone, whether you're using an Android phone or you're using an iPhone. Open the QR code scanner app that is actually on your phone. It will now take you to the section where they will take your selfie and also have the opportunity to snap that your ID card. You would hold that ID card with your hand and you will snap it. You get the point? So after doing that, they would now verify your account. So immediately after that verification process, you are going to receive an email telling you that your GPay account verification has been approved. At this point, it is now safe to tell you, congratulations. You are just one step away from creating that bank account. After doing that, the very next thing to do is to actually head onto the homepage of the website and click on login. So when you click on login, it is now time for putting your email address and password and click on sign in. Automatically, they will be sending the verification code to your email address. So I'll go to my email and I'll get to see this code there, 129906. 129906. And it's actually going to do what? Log you in into your GPay verified account. At this point, I want to say congratulations to you. Congratulations to you. Because right now, you are just one step away from creating your Euro bank account, from creating your Pounds bank account, and finally from creating your USD bank account, as it were. Congratulations. Now, if you are seeing this page, I think at this point, I deserve a thank you from you. Don't I? Yes, I do. And what would you do to tell me thank you? At this point, like this video. Oh yeah, now, like this video. Now, subscribe to this channel. You know that this channel is giving you so many things that you're benefiting from. Come on, subscribe to this channel. And finally, share this video. Share this video so that so many persons can see exactly how to create a dollar account, as it were. And lastly, go over to the comment section and say, thank you for this information. In fact, express how you feel. Have you been looking for a way to set this up? Go and say, thank you for this information. Have you done that? I'm waiting for you. At least, like, go and say thank you, and then share this video. So if you can actually see this page, then you are good to go. As you can see here, once you click here, so once you come to this page, you will now be able to see the account details that have successfully been created. If you click on view details, it is now going to open this up: account holder's name, bank name, account name, routing number, address, account type, and then the SWIFT code. Now, if you actually want to generate a proof of account, what do you need to do? Click on proof of account and it is going to open up this page that shows your full details. What did it say? To whom it may concern, this letter is to confirm that the following USD account details allows Richard Semo to receive payment into their GPay account, and then you are good to go. Guys, is this actually not mind-blowing that we have now been able to create a real bank account with Wells Fargo Bank, as it were. So any money that is paid into this your account through Wells Fargo Bank, you are actually going to find that money right here in your account balance. Now imagine that you have the money right in your account balance and you want to send the money out to your Naira account. Very, very easy. All you need to do is what? Click on send money out. Immediately it's going to ask you, how do you want to send the money out? Through bank transfer. Now choose a recipient. The recipient is going to be here. Add new recipient. Now it's going to ask you, which currency do you actually want to send money to? Of course, Nigeria. Now recipient type, individual, and now once you click on bank name, you are going to see our Nigerian banks. For example, you can see Guaranty Trust Bank, you can see First Bank, you can see all Nigerian banks, and you are good to go. And if you actually do not want to send money to a bank account and you want to send money to your mobile money wallet, if you're in Ghana, come over here, select mobile money. Now select what? An account. Select the account holder, currency, Ghana cedis. For example, Ghana cedis, select your mobile money network, MTN, Airtel, Tigo, Vodafone, and the rest of them. Select MTN, put in your mobile money details, and you are good to go. The same thing happens for Cameroon, the same thing happens for Zambia, or any currency at all. Guys, are you really impressed seeing exactly how I have actually created this dollar bank account that can receive money from a real bank? Yes, this is truly mind-blowing. Now, if you have created your account as a new account for the first time and you come over here to click on USD, you may not see your account details the way I am seeing mine here. What may you see? You may actually see something like this that says request funding account. Now click on request funding account, scroll down, I agree, and then click on create. Automatically it is now going to create that dollar account for you. The same thing happens for your pounds account. The same thing happens for your euro account. Guys, do you appreciate how I have shown you the step-by-step guide that you can actually use to get a dollar account, a euro account, a pounds account, and most especially the fact that you can transfer the money from dollar to your local bank account immediately? Is this not mind-blowing? Come on. I want you to clap for me, but don't clap for me by just clapping your hands. If you are new to this channel, clap for me by hitting the subscribe button. Come on, hitting the subscribe button. And I want to say welcome to you to this brand new channel that has so much benefits for you. What is more, ensure that you like this video. After liking this video, also ensure that you hit or turn on the post notification button. After doing that, it is very important that you go to the comment section below and ensure you type thank you for this information. Thank you for this information. That is the only way that you can clap right now. I'm also very sure that you saw when those emojis popped on the screen. And I promise to give you a mind-blowing gift that is worth $100. What are you waiting for? Did you see those emojis? Rush down to the comment section below. Ensure you are the first person to mention the exact emoji that popped up and the exact time that the emoji popped up. I'm sure you are the first person to mention that you stand a chance to win that mind-blowing gift. Now it is time for you to see some suggested videos that we have actually posted on this channel. One of those videos is exactly how you can earn a minimum of $500 daily. Yes, that video has been published. That video is popping up on your screen right now. You can see that video. Yeah, click on that video. Don't wait for me to finish. Click on that video and see how to make minimum $500 daily. Thank me right there in that video. I'll see you in that video that talks about how you can actually make minimum $500 daily. See you in that video. You are not supposed to be here now. You are supposed to have clicked on that video and watch that video right now. See you in that video.